You've come this far, but feel the shake. Something in the base won't hold. Each step forward asks for more than what the ground can now support. Pushing through will only bend what needs attention at the end. The wisest move is stopping now before the cracks become profound. Begin again with open eyes. Pause before the ground gives way. What is rushed will not endure. What is rebuilt can stay. Step back first, restore the frame, then move forward, clear and steady. There's no loss in changing course when the path was poorly formed. Reassessment clears the view and shows what must be done anew. Better planning shapes the way than effort spent in disarray. What you fix before you go protects the progress still to grow. Begin again with open eyes. Pause before the ground gives way. What is rushed will not endure. What is rebuilt can stay. Step back first, restore the frame, then move forward, clear and steady. Correction now prevents regret. Stopping early saves the rest. Wisdom knows when to restart, so strength can meet the path ahead. Lay the ground and start.